Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PASO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the crazy day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume, well above average volume. And I mean, I don't mean to state the obvious when I say this, but I want to establish some context. But ultimately, a very impressive movement on the price's part, meaning when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was down here, and then it still managed to close all the way up there, even if that was the low right there. And from those lows, it still managed to close all the way up there. Both of those moves, very, very impressive. I mean, any logical person would say that. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 0.107. So why is 0.107 so important? I'm not saying this is what's going to play out, but if the price were to come down here to that level and then just keep on going, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price essentially back at lows that haven't been seen for a very long time. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, on the flip side, because no price can go straight up. So maybe the price decides it needs to come down here, but the difference being behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you now have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right up there around 0.107. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main level to watch going forward is going to be this resistance trend line right there. So keep a close eye on that. But as of right now, top priority, at least in my opinion, is just all about building higher bases and consolidating at some higher lows. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.